you'll figure all that out. So I'm just going to keep rolling here until I get, and I'm just rolling, rolling, rolling. See, it's just rolling around the skewer. And then I'm going to stop about until I have just a little bit left at the end here. I'm going to take just a regular craft glue. This is actually blue, but a lot of times it's, you know, like white and creamy looking. It really doesn't matter as long as it dries clear, because you just kind of don't want glue all over the place. But this is really just to kind of keep it in place at first so that it doesn't roll off of your skewer. So I'm just going to glue down the center of that, and then I'm just going to keep on rolling. And the reason why I chose that craft glue is because it's just easy to use when you have like one hand to pick something up and squirt it on there. Any kind of glue will work. Okay, so now I just and that's actually probably not the most perfect bead, but it's still a bead. It's pretty. I think they're all going to be cool, and this is obviously a longer bead. And you and your girls will kind of decide what sizes maybe you like, or you can just make all sorts of sizes. So after we do that, we're already almost done. I'm going to go ahead and kind of like make sure this is a little bit loose on the skewer, okay? And you'll figure that out too as you teach yourself how to do this. You know, if it's too tight, it's going to be harder to get off and that kind of thing. Okay, so I'm going to take one of my little paint brushes here, and the first glue I'm going to use is the sealer. And this is just glue, basically. It's Mod Podge, and it dries a little bit harder than, like, say, this kind of glue would. And it also has gloss to it, so it's kind of a little bit shinier and that kind of thing. So I'm just going to go around here, and I'm going to just start basically painting the glue over the entire bead, like so. Now, as I'm doing this, I'm trying to make sure not to get the glue on the skewer as well, because we don't want to glue it to the skewer, because then you'll have a lovely time trying to get it off. So if you just don't get glue on the very edges of the beads, I would rather it be like that than getting glue all over the skewer, because then it makes it not fun. Not fun at all. Although that'll probably still happen. It just happens with some of them, and then you kind of have to start over. It's just kind of a trial and error sort of craft here. I guess that's the way crafting is. Okay,